Hey everyone, so before we jump into the juicy details, let me share a bit about my recent journey into the world of making money online as a teenager. Just last month, I hit a personal milestone. I earned over $12,000. Yes, you heard that right. And you know what? That's just the beginning. If I look back at my overall journey, I've made a total of $500,000 in the last 6 months. It's been an incredible experience. And the best part, I achieved all of this without investing a single penny. Sounds unreal, right? Now let's talk about what's been happening in the last 24 hours. You won't believe this. I made around $500 just yesterday. How? Well, that's the secret sauce I'll be sharing with you soon. I remember when I first started, I had doubts just like you might have now. I thought making money online was only for adults or those with special skills. But I discovered that with the right strategies and a bit of hustle, anyone can tap into this opportunity. So if you're ready to explore how I turn my time into cash flow, stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to reveal 3 proven God methods that can help you kickstart your journey and earn some serious cash as a teenager, just like I did. Don't go anywhere. You won't want to miss this. First stage, everyone. In this first method, I want to dive deep into one of the most practical and achievable ways for teenagers to start earning money online: brokerage commissions. This method is not only straightforward, but can also be highly rewarding if you play your cards right. When I was about 17 years old, I stumbled upon this opportunity. It all started when I realized that I had a network of friends who often needed help finding rental properties. I had a knack for connecting people with the right resources, and that's when I decided to leverage this skill to earn some extra cash. I reached out to local brokers. Those are the people who help renters and landlords connect. I told them, hey, I can bring you potential clients. If they rent a property through you, can I get a commission? To my surprise, they agreed. How it works? Now here's the deal. Whenever someone rents a property, brokers usually charge a brokerage fee, which can be a month's rent. In my case, it was $1,700. If you set up a good deal with the broker, you could get 30% to 40% of that commission. So if my friends rented that property, I would earn around $680, all for just making a few connections. So how can you get started in this business? Here are some steps you can take. 1, find local brokers. Start by researching local real estate agents or brokers in your area. You can find them through online searches, social media platforms, or even local community groups. 2, build relationships. Once you identify a few brokers, reach out to them, express your interest in collaborating, and explain how you can help bring clients to them. 3rd, set clear terms. Before you start, ensure you have a clear agreement on the commission structure. Discuss how much you'll earn per deal and get it in writing if possible. This will help avoid any misunderstandings later on. 4, market yourself. You can use social media, community boards, eBay, or even word of mouth to let people know that you can help them find rental properties. Consider creating simple flyers or social media posts that showcase your services. 5A, collect property photos. Approach your broker and request photos of the available properties. You can create listings on platforms like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, showcasing these properties while directing interested clients to the broker. Be professional. Always maintain a professional demeanor when dealing with clients and brokers. This builds trust and can lead to more referrals in the future. Network. The more connections you have, the better your chances of earning commissions. Attend local events, join community groups, and engage with others in your area. Follow up after closing a deal. Follow up with your clients and the broker to ensure everything went smoothly. This shows that you care and can lead to more opportunities down the line. Let's say you help a family find a rental home. You've posted an ad showcasing a property for $1,500 a month, and a family decides to go through your broker to rent it. That's a $1,500 commission for the broker. And if you agreed on a 40% cut, you just made $600 without any investment. Now imagine doing this with multiple families and properties throughout the year. The potential earnings can add up quickly. Brokerage commissions are an excellent way to make money as a teenager, especially if you enjoy networking and connecting people. It requires minimal investment, and with the right strategies, you can turn it into a lucrative side hustle. Now you have learned to earn income from brokerage commissions, but then what if you do not have your networking from broker? Our second step comes while solving this problem.